Welcome to Motorcycle Den, and today we are looking at the Zero Cybercharger. I've had this for probably a year now, and it is a great item. It's a great phone holder. I love it. The foot is adjustable up and down. These arms are adjustable in and out. Once you get it adjusted, you just slide your phone down in there and it'll start charging. You take this little arm here, you can't really see it, and you just push that down and it locks it in place. So one thing is, this button right here is right by this arm, and I kind of feel like it should sit a little lower into the mount itself, but I can't do that with this button. So Zero offers a trimline arm kit, which we are going to install on here, and it should eliminate this issue with the power button on the phone. So let's do that, and we'll show you what it looks like when we get done. I didn't realize I actually have to remove this Cybercharger and take some screws out of the back. So I also bought an Offset Perch Mount. It's universal, so you can move it to the left or right side. I'd like to be able to see my bright light button, the horn button a little bit better. I can see it, but I think actually I'm like seeing just parts of it, something like that probably. I'm gonna take it apart and show you what it looks like when we get done. Alright guys, this is how far it moved it over. I can clearly see the buttons, and it did move it a little bit closer to me, I feel like. I guess because of the offset and the way you have to position the ball, I feel like it may have moved it a little bit closer. But honestly, I like it. Here is probably about my view. Granted, I can see a little wider than the camera shows, but yeah, actually more like this is what I'm seeing with the buttons. I mean, the arms that I put on are missing. It's bright out, so hopefully you can see that. It is missing the button by plenty. I was able to lower the camera in the mount. The feet were all the way up, and as you can see right here, they're down quite a ways. Something else I noticed, I hate to have this bad camera work, but something else I noticed, these feet right here, they have rubber on them. The old ones did not, and the rubber gets a little taller the further out on the feet you go. So, because something I did have an issue with was my phone would kind of slide out over time, and I have to push it back, especially with the case I had. Well, with these, it should hold it in place. I'm really happy for the little bit of money that you spend on this. It is well worth getting. I mean, the phones in there are good and solid, and yeah, I'm happy with it. Zero, you guys did an excellent job. I thank you very much for the product and being concerned and coming out. I'm sure people had mentioned it, the arms hitting the buttons or something. So you guys come out with something, and you didn't charge us a fortune for it. I appreciate that. Because the Cyberchargers aren't cheap, but for what they are, I mean, they work good. It's convenient. And like I say, you just put your phone in, push this down, locks it in place, and you're on your way. It's charging your phone.